This is Jerry with Theatrically Jerry. I'm just going to do a really quick video here. I did get the part in for my Neutrik EtherCON connector for my light console. I wanted a cover port. I didn't know if you guys knew about these, but they do sell covers for their connectors, for their chassis specifically, and this one just bolts right on there, and it's supposed to keep water and dust out. I do not see anything on here that would make me think that it'll keep water out. It's just plastic, and there's no metal hinges or anything or any sort of a rubber gasket to it, so I'm not really sure what their claim of it being waterproof is. But anyways, this is going to go on the back of my light console, because if you haven't seen the video yet, go check it out. I replaced the CNLINKO EtherCON connector with a Neutrik EtherCON connector port. So if you're interested in seeing how that went, go check out that video. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, subscribe to my channel at Theatrically Jerry, and if you have a comment, leave a comment down below. I'll answer them for you. I'm going to go ahead and install this thing. I'll see you guys around. Alright guys, so I finally have the Neutrik cover attached to the Neutrik chassis that I just installed on my light console. This is for the Victory 3, because as stated, it came with the CNLINKO EtherCON connector, and it's not compatible with the Neutrik adapter. So I went ahead and switched it out, and I installed this little cover that Neutrik states is water resistant or waterproof. It's definitely going to be dust proof, but I don't know about waterproof. But just because, like I said earlier, there is no seals on this, but I do like it, and the little flap on here is pretty responsive. I don't know how many times you can open this flap before the memory on the plastic goes, because they don't have metal hinges. Neutrik didn't install metal hinges on this. These are just plastic hinges that cause it to flap open, but it does look really nice on the back of the Victory 3, and now it is Neutrik compatible with a Neutrik chassis, so I can connect my EtherCON cables to this console now for my ArtNet network. So I'm actually pleased with this little upgrade. There's definitely no difference in performance as stated. They're both Cat5e, Neutrik and CNLINKO, and also the RJ45 cable in here for the Ethernet is Cat5e rated, so you're not going to see any performance upgrades on it, but you will see some visual upgrades, and also the fact that it's now compatible with Neutrik makes it even better. But also, as stated in my video earlier, is that now this will accept Neutrik and CNLINKO. So now you have two different flavors of EtherCON connectors you can connect to your Code Victory 3 board. So if you haven't seen those videos, check them out. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, of course. My name's Jerry, and thank you for watching my channel at Theatrically Jerry.